Hi everyone, thank you for joining me. Today, I'll be making a chimichurri inspired lentil salad with a sous-vide poached egg. I'll be borrowing some technique from America's Test Kitchen. Let's get started. We're going to start off by preheating our sous-vide to 167 degrees. Then we're going to dive right into the chimichurri. So let's start off by finely chopping about a cup of curly parsley. To that, we're going to add 2 cloves of minced garlic, a tablespoon of tarragon, finely chopped, half a cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and to taste, we'll add kosher salt, pepper, and red pepper flake. Next up, we'll be cooking the lentil salad. Start off by cutting 4 slices of bacon into lard omelets. Then, dice a 1/4 cup of carrots and dice a 1/4 cup of shallot. We're going to fry the bacon on medium heat, rendering the fat from the bacon, and then strain and reserve about a tablespoon of that fat. Using the reserved fat, we're going to saute the carrot and shallot and put some beautiful browning on each. pot, we'll add 2 cups of water and a cup of lentils. We'll bring them to a simmer and then add a pinch of salt. To our now preheated water, we'll add 4 eggs of the same size. Careful not to crack them. And then we'll let them cook for 12 minutes. We'll remove those eggs after 12 minutes, and then reserve them in an ice bath. Now we're ready to plate.
So, first